Hello friends! Today we are going to make vegan cupcakes. I made these for my birthday and a lot of my friends loved them, so I thought I'd recreate them here and show you how easy they are. I'm not a pro baker or anything like that, so if I can do it, you can do it. So if you want to see how we made these yummy vegan cupcakes, keep watching. Ingredients: apple cider vinegar, some brown sugar, some salt, vegan butter, which I got at Whole Foods. I just have baking powder, but if you have baking soda and baking powder, this one's magic. I got all-purpose flour again from Whole Foods. You need a splash of non-dairy milk of your choice. Naughty icing sugar on top. And don't forget some vegan sprinkles or whatever you want to top it off with. And vanilla, don't forget about that. First, you need a cup of non-dairy milk. And I pretty much ran out. Vinegar. Stir that up. Butter. I let it sit in room temp a bit to get it moist. You can use any sugar you want. I went for the brown. That, and then mix your heart's desire. I don't have a fancy machine to beat it, so I am just doing it myself. And just keep going until it's all mixed. It takes time. This is why we go to the gym. Okay, not a professional baker. One and a half teaspoons of this. It says put it in a sifter. I don't have a sifter and it still works just fine. Don't panic, it's okay. Now I just have this magic baking powder, which my friend said once kind of worked like baking powder and baking soda. All the bakers are probably gonna freak out at me, but they tasted really good, so it's fine. And then a bit of salt. Quarter teaspoon salt. This, because I only have the one. And then another half a cup flour. Now you're basically gonna take your dry ingredients, your wet ingredients, and alternate and put it in that sugary, buttery mixture. We will do the icing time. So re-rinse your bowl that you used. Get going. We will get going. Naughty, naughty. Okay, one stick. Again. Don't worry, guys. I washed my hands. Where's my spoon? Milk if it's too thick, or whatever milk you got. Add some more vanilla and just keep it. Guys, and there you have it. Vegan, delicious cupcakes. Super easy, super fun. Bring them to your next party. Don't tell anybody that they're vegan. See what they say. If you try this recipe, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment below, let me know what you thought. Also, if you want me to do maybe more healthier version of these cupcakes, comment down below and I might try that next. But for now, have a great day. Love you lots. See you next time.